Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is the 12-inch MDF base in which the circles and grids are already ready. The angles are marked at 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. Let's get started with dotting. And with the colors I have chosen and have kept ready, my children have named this as High School Mandala. Let's see how it goes. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. Now I'll keep some dots in sky blue. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some light blue dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes. Now I'll keep dots in cerulean blue. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Since this is comparatively a darker shade of blue, I don't know if this tiny dotting is visible in the video. Now I'll keep some white dots. I'll keep two side swipes in sky blue. Now two more side swipes in light blue. Now two more side swipes in cerulean blue. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep sky blue dots. Now some cerulean blue dots. Some light blue dots now. I'll walk the dots in sky blue. I'll walk the dots in light blue now. Now I'll walk the dots in cerulean blue. Now I'll keep straight swipes in light blue. Now I'll keep two side swipes in sky blue. Now I'll keep some more white dots. I'll keep white dots now. I'll keep some sky blue dots now. I'll work the dots in sky blue. Now I'll keep two side swipes in light blue. Now I'll keep two more side swipes in cerulean blue. Now I'll keep some tiny sky blue dots. Now I'll keep some white dots. I'll top dot some of the white dots with cerulean blue. Now I'll top dot with light blue. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.